Hello, this is Dr. Vladimir Chernykh. I'm a medical doctor with a vast experience in aesthetics and dermatology, and I'm the school lead of the European Wellness Aesthetic Academy. Are you thinking about pursuing a career in the beauty, spa and wellness industry? The European Wellness Aesthetic Academy is your ideal professional partner, whether you are just starting off in the industry or if you're intending to enhance your skills and knowledge to differentiate yourself from your competitors. Our customized courses are suitable for aesthetic practitioners of every level, and all students who successfully complete the program will receive a triple certificate awarded by the prestigious EWAA University, the European Wellness Aesthetic Academy, and the renowned ICBRT Board, USA. Well, I warmly welcome all of you to enroll in our signature Certified Professional in Wellness Beautypreneurship today. We have a special offer now for early bird enrollments. Speak to our student consultants today and contact us at 016-616-2678 or email us at info@ewaaaesthetic.academy. Find both ways to contact on your screen below. Thank you very much. Start your career with the European Wellness Aesthetic Academy. We are waiting for you.